Assalamu alaikum earlier 3. Today we are having English unit and in that we have revised sky letters, grass letters and root letters. Now let's see what are sky, grass and root letters. Now first look sky letters. How many sky letters do we have? 7 sky letters, and what are they? L, K, F, T, D, H and B. Earlier 3, as I told you, sky letters are those who can come in first 3 lines. So these are the letters who has come in first 3 lines. Now how many grass letters do we have? 14 grass letters. And what are they? C, O, I, E, Z, V, W, X, S, A, U, R, N and M. Now earlier 3, as you can see, they all are coming in middle 2 lines. So grass letters are those who can come in middle 2 lines. Now let's come on the roots letters. Root letters are those who have a stem and they can fit in last 3 lines. And how many letters do they have? 5 letters. What are they? P, Q, J, Y and G. Now earlier 3, let's move on the worksheets. Let's see which worksheet we have done in our class. Look, this is the practice worksheet. In this, what we have done, here we have written sky, grass and root letters. But earlier 3, here we have written uppercase and lowercase letter both. Now earlier 3, we know this thing that in lowercase letter we are having categories like sky letters, grass letters and root letters, right? But what about uppercase? Do we have categories in uppercase letters as well? No. Uppercase letters are sky letters. All the uppercase letters are sky letters because they all can come in first 3 lines. So they don't have any category. They all are the sky letters, but we have categories in lowercase letters because there are some letters who can come in first 3 lines, some letters can come in middle 2 lines, some letters come in last 3 lines. So now let me tell you how you have to do this worksheet. First you have to write the uppercase letter like this. A. Now earlier 3, after writing uppercase letter, what you have to do? Now you have to see the lowercase letter is the grass letter, sky letter or root letter. Which letter is this? Now let's see the lowercase letter of letter A. That means A. So is this a sky letter, grass letter or root letter? Letter A can come in middle 2 lines, right? So for grass letter, what you have to do? You have to select the green color and you have to write over here with the green color. You all have to write all the grass letter with green color like this. Now the next letter is letter B. So uppercase letter you can write with the pencil like this, and for the lowercase letter, like lowercase letter of letter B is B, right? And this is the sky letter because letter B can come in first 3 lines. So for sky letter you can select the blue color like this. In the same way you have to write root letter with brown color. Now let's move on the next worksheet. Color the sky letter blue, color the grass letter green and color the root letter brown. Here you have to do the blue color in sky letter. First let's find the sky letters. The first sky letter is letter F because it can come in first three lines. Now the next sky letter is letter A. It's uppercase letter A because uppercase letter can come in first three lines. They all are sky letters. So we can do blue color in sky letter like this. Now the next sky letter is letter H. After H, next sky letter is letter L and capital H because all the capital letters can come in first three lines. Next letter is letter K. This is also a sky letter. And lowercase letter k is also the sky letter because they both can come in first three lines, right? Now capital U, uppercase U is also the sky letter because it's capital. It can come in first three lines. Now the lowercase t, it can come in first three lines, and the uppercase letter T will also come in first three lines. Now let's take green color for grass letter. Look, letter A can come in two middle lines, so we can do green color in letter A because it is a grass letter. Letter R can come in middle two lines, so here we can do green color. Letter O is there as well. It is also a grass letter. Letter M is also the grass letter. U, C and X. Look, they all are the grass letter. In the same way, you have to do the brown color in root letters. Alright? Jazakallah everyone. Allah Hafiz.